Hi, I'm Mithra from Let's Eat STEM, and I wanted to give you some information about a unique STEM enrichment program that you can bring to your students at your school. A lot of programs and curriculum that want to bring STEM into their schools and into their classrooms focus on the traditional ideas of science and technology. But students can learn about science and STEM through a medium that all kids from every background get excited about: food. And that's what Let's Eat STEM does. So why food? Food teaches us the science of life, the chemistry of cooking, the math and measuring, the intro to cultures, and even to history and literature. So let me show you what Let's Eat STEM looks like in the classroom. The program uses active learning techniques in the classroom. So the program is set up for students to be in stations. They then rotate among all the stations. They have information to read at that station. And then they have a hands-on learning activity to reinforce what they just read. The activity could be about molecules. It could be about density. About nutrition. About plants and plant structures. Safe chemical reactions. Use tools. Make observations. Learn scientific principles disguised as fun facts. The hands-on activities make STEM really fun. In the end, the students get to eat that food item they learned about. What do they think? Is it a thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up. It's a video.
Jake, come back. Thank you so much. Yeah, come back. I want to make cookies this time.
So hopefully that gave you a quick look at what STEM enrichment can look like in your school. For more information to get Let's Eat STEM into your school, go to letseatstem.com or email me at letseatstem@gmail.com.